Here is William next to a few key Marvel Legends figures for size comparison. The shorter male body used for Extreme X-Men Wolverine, a standard-sized male body with the X-Factor Cyclops, and the towering MCU Red Hulk who still stands taller than Nemesis. Genocide, or the Nemesis Build-A-Figure, comes with a removable translucent orange helmet that gives a fiery glass-like effect. The helmet has two pegs that you plug into the holes in his shoulder. Once the helmet is off, you get a better look at the highly detailed skull head sculpt. It features an articulated jaw, very reminiscent of a supersized Marvel Legends Ghost Rider. Hasbro really nailed it in terms of the paintwork, with a nice wash on the skull and sculpted translucent yellow flames around it. It adds a dynamic, fiery look.